What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to fix the no SIM or invalid SIM card error you are getting on your iPhone. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First, open up your iPhone settings. Here, under mobile data, make sure that your primary SIM card is selected. It should switch over automatically, but when using an eSIM for example, your device might not use the inserted SIM card. Under Data Plans, make sure that your primary plan is enabled and that all other settings are set to their default values. Ensure yourself that you have an active plan running with your wireless carrier. If this is the case and the issue is not related to the card itself, then head over to your General Settings. Here, tap on Software Update and make sure that your iPhone is running the latest iOS update. After downloading and installing the update, make sure to restart your device. Restarting your iPhone will restart all processes, which can, in a lot of cases, fix the SIM card error you are getting. In case nothing helps you out, then proceed to remove your SIM card, where you can see if it fits properly or not. You can use a different card from a family member, for example, to see if this allows you to fix the SIM card error. In this case, the problem is related to your own SIM card, and you should proceed to get a new card with the same number, or even better, try getting an eSIM. Lastly, if you ever changed some mobile data settings, or if you recently changed your location, then it might be a good idea to reset your network settings. In your General Settings, scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset, and then Reset Network Settings. After entering your passcode, your iPhone will restart with the factory network settings, which will, in a lot of cases, fix the SIM card error you are getting, if the problem is not related to the card itself. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.